Hello guys. Welcome to channel BNG. Today we gonna discuss about coral reef. So let's start the video. Coral reefs are organite structures produced by a species of seawater that contains very little or no nutrients in the shallow tropics. These coral reefs can be damaged by encouraging algae growth due to the high nutrient content released from agricultural areas. The predominant species of many coral reefs are rocky corals. These are made up of calcium carbonate epithelial secretion gnawing cnidaria. As the skeletal material assembles and breaks down, ocean waves pile up on top of each other to form biodegradable calcium-rich colonies, which support other living corals and other species of plant and animal life. Although this coral is found in tropical and temperate waters, coral reefs form in the region between 30 latitudes and 30 longitudes from the equator. Coral is the creation of a very small organism. Invertebrates are small, soft, transparent organisms that absorb calcium carbonate from ocean water and form a shell outside their body. The skeletal corals that make up these thousands of animals are called corals. The coral reef begins with a single polyp. The creature that floats in the ocean water settles there when it encounters a hard surface. The templates then begin to form, and the young parents attach to the polyp to form templates. Even when a polyp dies, its skeleton remains, and other organisms grow on the skeleton. The growth force of the coral reef depends on the microscopic plant Susentail, which feeds on the polyps and coexists with that organism. A microscopic plant called Susentail uses photosynthesis of polyp and sunlight to perform photosynthesis. Oxygen polyp produced by photosynthesis is inhaled by organisms. In addition, corals get their beautiful colors from Susentail. In the optical region of hermatypic coral reefs, shallower than 50 meters. That is, only up to the depths of sunlight sufficient to photosynthesize. These algae cells utilize the extra organic nutrients produced by the photosynthesis in the tissues of the coral polyps. Coral reefs grow faster in clear water, which receives more sunlight. Without this coexistence, coral reefs will grow very slowly to their spectacular structure. Corals breed both sexually and asexually. Many individuals can breed during their lifetime using both species. Corals sexually breed by internal or external fertilization. Reproductive cells are located in the mesenteric membranes, which extend into a linear layer of tissue in the abdominal cavity. Some adult corals are bisexual. As they grow, they see very little uniform sex change. The coral reef ecosystem is one of the most spectacular coastal ecosystems in the world. It can also be described as a topographic system created by biological processes. Coral is the creation of a very small organism. Invertebrates are small, soft, transparent organisms that absorb calcium carbonate from ocean water and form a shell outside their body. The coral reef begins with a single polyp. The creature that floats in the ocean water settles there when it encounters a hard surface. After that, the larvae begin to form, and the parents attach themselves to the polyp to form the skeleton, called a coral reef. The growth energy of the coral reef depends on the microscopic plant Susentail, which feeds on the fauna of the polyp and coexists with that organism. Oxygen polyp produced by photosynthesis is inhaled by organisms. In addition, corals get their beautiful colors from Susentail. So if you are still not subscribe now. Also hit the bell icon. You can see same as more informative videos.